Here's 3 costly mistakes schools are making with facilitating CBC, and most of you don't even realize it. Mistake number 1, recording your assessments last minute. CBC depends on continuous real-time assessments. So, when your records are filled in hours or days after the lesson, accuracy drops. And over time, the data you rely on stops reflecting what's actually happening in class. Mistake number 2, relying fully on manual systems. Makalatas. Teachers are already stretched. When everything is on paper, the rubrics, the assessments, the reports, it creates delays, shortcuts, and sometimes incomplete records. Not because teachers aren't capable, but because the system isn't practical to sustain every day. Mistake number 3, lack of visibility at the leadership level. As a head teacher or a school owner, you are expected to ensure compliance and quality. But if this information is locked in books and files, you are always reacting late instead of guiding early. That's where the CBC app fits in. It supports teachers in capturing assessments in minutes, gives school leaders instant visibility. So, the question would be, how effective do you want to be?
The CBC app simplifies work for teachers and school administrators. Better teachers, better schools, brighter futures.